Hey Evie, what you got there? What's in your bucket?
Mommy?
What's in there?
Papa.
Are those eggs?
Papa?
That's not really a ball. It's part of an egg. Okay. What else do you have? You have lots of eggs, don't you? Uh-huh. Oh. Is there anything in it? Okay. You put it back together? Pretty good. That's good. Oh, do we throw eggs? Evie? Can you say bye-bye to the camera?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.